Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 18 and that updates are applied. This prevents missing features. Next, open Settings and tap Control Center so you can edit modules. You want the mobile data control to appear as an option. If it's missing, check cellular settings first. Once done, you're ready to add or rearrange the control. This first step gets you into the exact menu where changes stick and behave predictably. You now add mobile data. In Control Center Edit mode, find Mobile Data and tap the plus icon to move it into Included Controls. This creates a quick toggle. Then drag it higher to place it where your thumb naturally reaches on your device. This improves speed. Make sure to exit settings to commit changes. The reason is iOS saves layout when you leave the edit screen. If you have many controls, search, or scroll, it keeps the interface uncluttered. You finish by swiping to open Control Center and testing the mobile data toggle. Tap once to switch it on or off and observe the status icons. If the control is unresponsive, restart your iPhone and verify cellular settings and carrier profile. These steps clear temporary glitches. If problems persist, reset Control Center layout in settings to restore defaults, then re-add mobile data. This final check ensures the control works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.